my friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name's Gina if you're brand new here, and I'm the creative here on YouTube behind Create and Daydream. And today is one of the happiest days of the month because I am sharing the brand new kit from Illustrated Faith for February called Love Shows Up. Okay, so yes, that little card that I took off the screen, I gave it a little hug because that was from Shanna Noel. She's the sweetest human being. Support her business. I love her so much. And with us talking about Shanna, let's read her note for Love Shows Up. She says, "Hey friend, what's better than another devotional from our friend LaQuisha? When she brings along 4 of her friends from the Bible journaling community, as Bianca, Talia, Lakesia, and Bridget share with us how love has shown up in their lives. I echo LaQuisha's prayer that we can show up for others and ourselves in the same ways." And you can always follow along with our kids. There's a hashtag this month, or for February, it's going to be hashtag IF_love shows up. And look at beautiful LaQuisha Hall. Oh gosh. I have the biggest heart for this lady. She is such an extraordinary human being, and this devotional just points out another reason why. So Shanna Noel reached out to her about doing this devotional, and LaQuisha says, "I didn't want to simply contribute, but highlight a few of the sweet friends in the Bible journaling community whose love has shown up for me." So instead of writing the devotional herself, she picked 4 of her friends that have shown up for her in big ways. As you can see, their beautiful faces on the screen. I'm going to link all of them below, and let's look at their little style of devotionals because there will be 4 mini devotionals in this big devotional. We're going to start with Bianca's. Bianca's going to walk us through how love shows up through service. As you can see, this is a great double page of devotional, and then on the back side she's going to give us a challenge and a journaling prompt, and then gives us ideas on ways to serve, which I think is fantastic. Next up is the beautiful Talia Sanders. She's going to talk about how love shows up with gifts. We are talking the gifts that God has given us to serve others and to serve Him. She gives us verse to meditate on. She gives us journaling prompts and a challenge, and that beautiful other side of us love has a name. Then we have Lakesia Harris. She shows up, or she is teaching us how to show up with encouragement. I love her little set of prompts. She has a challenge, a prompt, sharing your words, showing up, and then 4 little spots for random acts of kindness, which if you know me, you know I love racks. And then the last little mini devotional is from our friend Bridget Baker, and she's going to talk about love showing up through compassion. She has a challenge for us at the bottom, and then this is the back page, which I love this page. It's got to be Jill Drain-Schultz toolbox for this month, so be on the lookout for that. So we have 4 mini devotionals by 4 beautiful ladies. Again, they will all be linked below. Now let's check out the yumminess of this kit. Okay, our stamp this month is called Typed with Love. It has the typewriter with lots of space to put something up top. It has the words "Love Shows Up." It has "I am yours and you are mine." It has love, a beautiful bow, which that has got to be a LaQuisha touch, and some spotty dots at the bottom. Then we have 2 pages of these little cardstock-ish stickers. I didn't even see the second page when I first looked at this. So these are a matte sticker, and there's 2 pages. There's lots of little words, and then the hearts and the X and O's. Okay, so speaking of hearts and X and O's, let me just read you the very beginning of the devotional from LaQuisha. She says, "February is a month where our society plasters hearts in every corner to signify that it is now time to love. However, it has been time to love. Love should not simply be displayed in visual designs and decorations. It should truly show up. Love should not just appear. It should point others in where to look, up and towards our true and loving God." And I love that, Quee. I love that. I love that. So as you see those hearts that are plastered everywhere during this next month, just remember that love shows us service, love shows gifts, love shows encouragement, love shows compassion. So when you see a heart, think about these ladies, and more importantly, think about who our love should be directed to at all times, where it shows up from, and that is our glorious Father in heaven. Okay, let's take a stroll through the ephemera. I love this. It's very different than anything we've ever had. It is like a true Valentine's Day-esque, but Valentine's Day for Jesus. Like, again, we're thinking about the hearts, but we're thinking about the meaning behind the hearts, because we as Christians know what that is, and these lovely ladies that shared their hearts in this devotional are going to help us with that. So with that said, there's florals in here. There are little washi taped tags. There's actual tags. There's lots of hearts with scallops. There's the little sticker, "Make His Love Known." That's obviously a die cut in this, but it also is our sticker for this month, our vinyl sticker. I'm loving the flowers. So, you know, I love black and white with color, so this is right up my alley. There's lots of little sayings. There's the main 4 titles that you're going to find in here. So look for that. There's yellow, which I think is so interesting to bring in. I'm a mustard yellow lover, so I love to see yellow in here. And there's little pointers, there's little rainbows, not little, like it's pretty good sized rainbows. And remember, you can get all this ephemera in the Illustrated Faith Print and Pray shop along with the kit if the kit sells out and you want it digitally. Like, look at that big chunk of ephemera in my hand. I love it, love it. Okay, so let's set the kit aside. But if you're working through Worthy of Worship and you're doing the Jesus Loves You challenge, these hearts would be great with that. I'm just saying, I may share something like that. So this is everything that is in the kit. There's the vinyl sticker that I was talking about. And now let's jump into some more cuteness in the shop. As if I can't love Shanna Noel already enough, look how stinking cute this little bag is. So those are 9 little painted hearts on there. And this is a bag that comes with fabric. Now, I asked Shanna to make sure that I was clear on this. So this bag comes with, your bag could be something different. There could be something different painted on it. You get a tag, and then you get 3 bundles of patterned fabric, and each one could be different, which is really cool. So it's going to have the same colorways, so it's going to be in the same color scheme, but everybody might get 3 different little bunches of fabric. You can have tone on tone or white with pattern on it, and then maybe something different stamped on those little tags. And I just think that is so darling. I'm gonna have to figure out something really cute to do with those tags because it's darling. Okay, so there's a little bag. That's a Tamara Acelia flower on the bag, but we have 2 new stamps, and I'm sorry that I was putting up to the screen. You can't see the name of that first one. That first one was called Labeled with Love, and then the second one is Tamara Arcilia, and it's a stencil and stamp, and I love this idea. First of all, I love Tamara Arcilia's florals. I have been on her creative team, and she's just a phenomenal artist. Like, I absolutely love it. So there's the stencil, and then the stamp is identical. And if you caught the little background cover that goes with the stamp, it says January, Jan. So I've not confirmed this with Tamara or Shanna Noel, but I'm thinking this might be a thing, like an every month thing. And if that's the case, I am here for it. I can't wait to use the stencil and the stamp. So on the back, it shows you step 1, stencil your colors. Step 2, stamp your lines. There are so many different ways that you're going to be able to combine these 2. I'm excited to jump in and use them. I'm just excited about it. And then we have 3 brand new washies. Everyone loves new washi. Okay, and again, a little bit high on the screen. I apologize. That first one is called She's a Wildflower. This one is called Hearts on Parade. And last but not least, my guess is that Shanna Noel's Hearts, and that is all the hearts. So we have 3 new sets of washi. They're going to go fantastic with the kit. They're going to go fantastic anywhere, especially that black and white. So this is Future Gina editing here, and I forgot to finish the video. Can you tell I have not been doing videos as much? Okay, so this wraps up the video. This is the kit. For February, here's some of the brand new stuff. Make sure you sign up for the Illustrated Faith newsletter. And y'all, if you've been part of my little Create and Daydream family, I am going to be posting again on a regular basis. Been a little slow here the last month or so, but I'm coming back. So y'all, love you. God bless each and every single one of you. Bless up my friends.